Welcome to this Identity Access video tutorial on how to add new users. In this video, we will show you the various ways on how to add users into Identity Access 9. Firstly, you must have an access group configured in the software. Putting users into groups makes managing their access control permissions very easy. If you haven't set up groups before, we recommend watching our video, Adding New Groups. To add a user to system, select Management, then Employees, Visitor or Contractor, depending on the type of user you want to add. We will add an employee in this demonstration. Next, click on the green plus symbol. Enter the user's first and last name. For the token number, click in this box and then present your card to the desktop enrollment reader. If you don't have a desktop enrollment reader, you can type in the number printed on the card or token. If you're using keypad readers on your site for dual-factor authentication card and PIN operation, you can use the PIN number field to either enter a PIN number manually or click on the Generate button and the system will automatically generate a unique PIN for this user. If you're using only biometric fingerprint readers, you can click on the Generate Token Number button and the system will automatically generate a unique token number for this user. The Valid From field defaults to the current date, but you can change this to be user's future start date by clicking on the drop-down. The drop-down arrow Valid For defaults to indefinite, but you can change this field using the drop-down arrow if you want to issue a token to someone who will only have access to it for a limited time, such as 1 day. Company and department fields are optional. We recommend watching our video on adding new companies and departments to help you if you haven't created these before. Lastly, make sure you add the user into a group. Tick the box next to the group that this user will belong to, for example Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Then click Accept at the bottom right. Remember that a user can be allocated to more than one group. You've now successfully added a user to Identity Access. Please visit our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.